Hi YouTubers, just heads up, I want to show you something on the bike here. If you're going to be cleaning or changing your air filter and you ride in sand like I do, when you pull the air filter out of your F800 GS, make sure you don't tip it over while it's over the bike, because the sand sits in the top. And so it'll all pour out into the bottom, just like I've done here now. So here guys, you can see I've made the fatal mistake of turning the air filter over. I'm a sand rider. The sand is poured out of the top of the air filter into the airbox, battery compartment, all over the bike. I have to do a bit of a cleanup now. So you want to really be a little cautious when you pull that air filter out.